This is Bright Student School, Bright Student Learning Center in South Africa, in Cape Town. This is the grade 1 class. We would want to thank Hampstead School, which is our sister school in the United Kingdom. They have blessed our students. They have blessed our kids with these presents. The presents were given to them for their Christmas. It was a Christmas package that they received, but by then the schools were closed. So today we have honored the wish of Hampstead School to give the presents to the students of Bright Student Learning Center. In here is the grade 1 class, which has managed to get the presents today. We thank you so much, Hampstead School. Thank you so much for remembering us. Thank you so much for making smiles on our faces. Though we are in our masks, we are showing that happiness. We are so happy and we are very much grateful for making our kids know what to play with, know what the world out there has, know what they are to do in their everyday life. These toys that they received, they have got a number of activities in them. I have seen some, they are puzzles, mind-blowing puzzles. They are supposed to come up with being pictures or images that are there. Others, they are puzzles which make up some toys. They can make up some structures which they are to learn to do. So thank you so much, Hampstead School. We don't forget also the present which you have given to the senior school. Also, we are going to use it to our primary school, even these grade 1s. We received some tablets. Those tablets, we have already set a room. We have already set a lab where learners will be accessing them. We thank you so much for a wonderful gesture that we have done. Thank you so much, Hampstead School. Thank you, parents of Hampstead School. Thank you, kids of Hampstead School. Your teachers, they are going to continue to guide you. They are going to continue to lead you in the rightful way. The principal of Hampstead School, I thank you so much for remembering us. We as Bright Student Learning Center, we are honored. We are so much grateful. Thank you so much.
And then that one that's like this. What's that thing? What is it? What is red? I'm gonna
This one is for them.
Oh, very good, Sasha. Very good.
let's share that one.
Yes, you can share. What are you doing?
Yes. You still can play one.
Nothing for the
You
hour.
want to make one?
Copy here.
Okay.
Copy here.
Bring that here.
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, that's nice.
Where's the instruction?
Very good.
So this one is supposed to go here. Yes, like this. Like this.
It's gonna wait. And the last
Go back. The instruction. I remember instructions. Let's make them. Make this one. I'm coming. Be there. Be there. You have made your toys. Stay there. Stand on your machine. No? Okay, thank you.
Give me this thing. Okay. Let me do it for you. Look here, give me. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll get this now.
Which one?
No, you put it here.
Let's make it. This one? Are you seeing this one?
You see, you must make it fast. Let's do like this, maybe.
Yes.
Oh, let us use another.
I can do this.
You can choose another one. This kind of